Hey guys, Deb and I are about to tackle our biggest design and decorating dilemma yet. That's nice.
That's crazy.
What?
At first glance, this kitchen doesn't look too bad, but the closer I get, the more offensive it becomes.
Yeah, it's a bit like me, isn't it?
This benchtop came straight from the 90s. And are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Yes, some beautiful mahogany type doors.
This range hood, I have never ever been in a kitchen where the range hood has been lower than my head before.
I thought that was a hairdryer. That's nice.
That's crazy. This all needs to go. We need this to be a practical working space. At the moment, I'm not sure how they even cook here. It's not a practical space. It's not a pretty space. There's not really much here that's working. It's all got to go, and I think we move it this way.
What's interesting is that the family's actually living in the house while the renovation is happening.
And they're living right on top of the renovation. So at the moment we're demoing downstairs and we're going to be pushing that all out and putting in the kitchen and living room while these guys are living right on top of it. So it's going to be challenging for them. So we would love it to move nice and quickly and not to have any more hold-ups. The house is surrounded by beautiful natural trees and it's got such a gorgeous outlook. So we really want to bring that outside in. Lots of great big windows that are being installed.
Yeah, and the house is being opened up, so a big open planned area. It's amazing.
We're in the old part of the house here. Here's where the old part ends and the brand new extension begins, but this created quite a bulk in the wall here, which Michelle really wasn't happy with. We're gonna work some magic and hide that with some cabinetry. Coming into the kitchen, now the kitchen isn't really large, so we put an oversized island bench here. The laundry. I'm really excited about this space. We're gonna have a little space in there for Michelle's dog, Luna. And let's talk about the butler's pantry. Now, Michelle has a very large blended family with 8 people. She needs lots of storage, and we've managed to work storage into both sides of the room here, and also a second oven, which is awesome for the family. Andy, look!
God.
Wow.
What?
This is insane. We worked really closely with Michelle to get every detail right, and it's better than I could have ever expected.
That's nuts.
Love this gold.
Love the gold.
Coming from Cairns, Michelle has always wanted a fireplace. And now she has got the most impressive fireplace in Australia at 11 metres high. It's got the wow factor from every single angle.
Absolutely. We wanted to extend the house to create a wraparound indoor-outdoor living area, because before the extension, the only way to get to the pool area was through a haunted staircase. But now we've created a beautiful indoor-outdoor experience. We wanted to design a kitchen that was going to be the heart of the home, where everyone wanted to be. We knew we had to create a space that was going to cater for a blended family of 8. So we built an entire new wing onto this home. Rather than utilise the old kitchen space, we brought the kitchen into that new wing. And now it's the heart of the home.
Yeah, the kitchen was upstairs. We moved it downstairs. Now the kitchen, butler's pantry, and the laundry have a beautiful open flow, but there are still doors there so you can close all the different spaces off as required. Remember the old part of the house ended here? This became a little bit of a challenge.
It was a bit of a challenge.
Yeah. We turned this side into a little pantry, and this is a trick. We've just actually wrapped the joinery around the wall.
Oh, tricky, tricky.
The stone bench tops and the splashback are amazing.
They are amazing. We also put an induction cooktop in and an extra oven in the pantry, as well as loads of cupboard space to cater for Michelle's obsession with air fryers. Sometimes you want to get away from the kids, yeah? Luckily, we created a space like a sitting room for Ross and Michelle, where Ross can watch his golf and where Michelle can binge watch her favourite shows. Oh guys, the next episode, the old pool gets a new look.
That's right, Andy. We are transforming the entire outdoor area. You don't want to miss this one.